Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Ramble session. Yes, I hope y'all are doing well. Okay, yeah, and I hope y'all had a nice weekend. It's been a pretty rough week, if you know what I mean, you know? Yeah. So, yeah, I hope everyone had just a relaxing weekend. I had a very relaxing weekend. I've been working in my books now. I am currently, this is my January, February creative daily journal. And just in case you're wondering, and even if you weren't, I am thoroughly enjoying it. I do find that it's difficult to fit everything on a page because the pages are so small. But so far, I've just kind of, I don't know, shortened my notes for the day, I guess, as long as I just have a little snippet of what was going on. It's just that typically I like to write out a lot more information, because when I go back to look on these journals, I'm like, wait, what? I need specifics, people. So, anyway, no big deal though. I have been really enjoying just, decorating the pages and here's where I left off last Tuesday, okay? And all of this stuff right here, I've done all of this weekend, all right? Now, yeah. This past week, I'm just putting this photo in of my very messy desk. There it is in all of its glory. I don't know if you can see it or not, but yeah, it's just covered in stuff, which is fun and annoying all at the same time. So I just wanted to put this in here. Oh, come on. I wanted to put it in there semi-straight, because that's the way I roll, and okay, that's gonna have to do. All right. Anyway, this is the state of my desk now. This is actually today, and I'm sorry that, or if you can hear the heater on in my room. Yes, I have the heater on for the pups, more or less. I mean, I'm wearing my sweatshirt, but yeah, this morning it was like 45 degrees out. I mean, crazy, that's craziness here, okay? Sweater weather, definitely. The high's only 70, which I know to you guys is, beautiful. To us, it's cold. And so, yeah, the pups, my husband gave the poor pups a bath this morning, and they were just shaking like a leaf, okay? I felt so bad for them. I finally got my sprocket to work. Anyway, my husband got me some beautiful flowers yesterday, so I just quickly doodled those out. That's one of the things that I'd like to do more of this year is doodle a bit. Yesterday I was in here filming loads of videos, uploading them, all that kind of fun stuff. So yeah, I had a fairly productive weekend as far as like YouTube goes and stuff like that. So yeah, so that was nice, very nice. This week coming up, let's see, one of the videos I did film was my Collage Weekly Planner, right? So let's just check it out and see what's coming up. I'm not going to show you the collage, and the Collage Weekly Planner that I'm talking about is this one, okay? 2021 Collage Weekly Planner. It's by Marguerite Miller, okay? Now, let me not show you that. Okay, this is what's coming up. Of course, today is the Ramble session that you're listening to currently. What else is coming up? We have a flip through of mid-December. We have how to make a simple journal, a Christmas card storage journal, and the end of 2020 journal tag by Love Lynn's Life. Yeah, so that's all coming up this week. And then, of course, on Friday will be the week number 3 for the Collage Weekly Journal, okay? Now, talking about the Collage Weekly Journal, and I know I'll say it in the video as well, but you're just gonna have to hear it twice, I guess. I'm kind of working while I'm chatting with you. On Marguerite's website, I do believe which I'll put the link below. I do believe she has the weekly assignments on her webpage, okay, for like those of you who are not in the US, okay? So just keep that in mind. Just wanted to let you know that. Okay, let's see. I'm going to, this is, oh gosh, does that work? No, move up, move up. Okay. Woo. All right. This I'm making for a little pocket that I made. Yeah, and this year I said I wasn't going to do tucks, tags, and pockets, which I'm really not. I mean, these other pages, these still just need journaling, you know. Oh, I can't flip that because that has names on it. But if you see this right here, yeah, the week's events, don't even want to go into it. And then, yeah, I've started to receive some, some orders from Amazon. And yeah, that's been fun. Who doesn't like an order, right? And that'll be coming up like the following week or something. I'll go over those things. But my daughter's class did a word of the year. So on this evening, I was scripting, you know, hand lettering their words on cardstock to make like a bulletin board thingy. And yeah, so that was fun. We had a busy week this week too, let me tell you, at school. I don't know. And the new rule at school, which, you know, I do agree with, but it's very hard to enforce, and that is kids have to wear their masks all day long. Yep, all day long. Now, where was that thing? Aha, here it is. See, that's why I put this right here. I'm not arguing, I'm explaining why I'm right. Gosh. Oh my word. Yeah, it's been a struggle for some, not for all, for some. So yeah, I made this into this little packaging. I drink a lot of tea, especially after my husband was so sweet and got me a kettle for Christmas. So I use it almost every day and I love it. And yeah, I like to use these as little pockets. So what I did with with this one, instead of putting the whole thing in, I just put the top part in and glued it on the 3 sides, right? And then my husband and I had some cuddle time when I got home on Friday, which was super nice. Yeah. And this, I mean, come on. You have to put National Pass Gas Day. Oh my God. Yeah. Because sometimes I act like a 5-year-old. And it's fun. So, yeah, so I got some orders in. You'll be seeing that. I don't even know. I guess you won't be seeing that this week. You'll be seeing it next week. What I got. Yeah. I am technically on a no spend, all right? But these were gift cards that I received, you know, at Christmas. And so I am trying really hard to, you know, purchase stuff. I mean, obviously some of the things I want, you know, but I'm really trying to use that for stuff that I need, you know, not stuff that I want to try out, not stuff, you know, I just want to get stuff that I need. Like for instance, more sprocket paper, more Xyron paper. I have one of these, Xyron things and I love it. Okay, let me just show you real fast if I can. Let me see where, oh shoot, I put it there. Okay, so let's just see if I can, let's see if this will work. Yeah, all right, okay. So see, like I used it right here, these little emoji things, right? So I used it there. The Xyron machine. Oh, I used it to put these in as well, right? It's it just makes stickers, you know, and it's super cute. I got it years and years ago, but I need the refills, you know? So that's what I'm trying to use my gift cards for, stuff that I need. I also was gifted years ago a beautiful big Xyron machine, and it's a sticker maker is all it is. If you're new to it or haven't heard of it, it's a sticker maker, and I love it. And so, you know, especially just for things, you know, I mean, obviously you can use a glue stick, but yeah, there's no reason to purchase a Xyron machine. But if you have one, it just comes in handy, you know, like you could just put this through the machine and then it becomes a sticker, you know. And what I did was, I did make a file of a bunch of my different My Little emoji things, right? I know so many of you have asked how I do it, and I don't know what to tell you other than I have an iPhone, and I have an app or whatever. It's called Notes, and these little emojis are in my alphabet. You know, like if I switch it from alphabet to that little world symbol, you know, for emojis and stuff like this, or stuff like that, emojis, these things come up, right? And so I just take them and I start clicking them, right? And it goes into my notes section of my phone, and then I just take those, copy and paste them to like a Word document or a Pages document, and then print them out, you know? So, and then I just made a file of them, you know, because I'll be using these quite often through my book. They're just the perfect size, you know, to use in my book, because my book is quite a bit smaller. I used one right here because I worked in my room from 10 to 6, either in my room or out on the patio, because I was either filming videos or I was uploading videos. So I was on the computer a lot yesterday. Today, this is my vision right here for later today, is after I finish working in here, I'm going to unplug and unwind with my hubby out on the couch. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping to do. Like I said, it was freaking cold out this morning. Good grief. So yeah, that's pretty much, you know, all I've been doing today and yesterday has been like working in my book and filming videos. So yeah, I still have not been able to kind of tackle coming home from work and coming in here. I don't know what the deal is. It's like I legit do not want to do it. Like I get home and I just don't want to do it, you know? I want to relax. I want to see if there's a live going on. I want to, you know, catch up on YouTube videos. I want to sit out on my patio, you know, all those things. So it's been like super hard for me when I get home. And I even got home. These are some of the things I might want to put on for Monday. Look at that little troll thing. Isn't he cute? Yeah. I don't know if I'm going to put that on there or not. As much as I just want this to be like a lot of like decorative elements and stuff, and just kind of like organic or intuitive or whatever word goes with that, I still can't help but like color coordinate. I don't know. I need to get away from all that. But yeah. So that's what's been going on here. Yeah. I would like to work in my glue book at some point. Maybe that's what I need to do, like when I get home from work, just to come in here and unwind. Not necessarily work on this, on my journal, because obviously over the weekend I can come in here and you know, I can decorate the pages and all that kind of stuff, and then just put in the journaling, you know, which I have been really enjoying that. You know, I will tell you, one thing that I have not been enjoying is that, like, as these pages are getting filled up, these pages here are warping. I don't know if you can see that in the pocket, but as I put stuff on the page or glue stuff on the page, yeah, it's warping. So, I don't know what I'm going to do for next year. I don't know. I might not be able to sew this here. I might just have to like tack it down and glue it or something. Maybe that'll work. I don't know why it's warping like that, but it seems to me like the more stuff I glue onto the page, it warps. I don't know. So, oh well. I mean, it hasn't been a problem as far as like decorating and, you know, I don't know. It's just annoying when I go to journal on it, you know, because it's not flat. And I do have this thing that I can put in here. This is just a piece of watercolor paper that I can put in here. But see, if I shove it in here all the way, then look at it. Then it really warps it. Whereas if I pull it out a little bit, I don't know. So that's one of the things that I'm having an issue with right now is it's like warping. I don't know. So if any of you know of like paper that does not bleed through and can be used in a journal, yeah, I would like to look into that. So yeah, throw me some info down below if you have any idea about that. Yeah, because I like making my own journals versus buying a pre-made journal. I find that by making my own journal, I can put as many pages as I need into the book. I don't like having more than the month, you know? So, yeah, I like just having enough for like 32 surfaces to write on. So that's primarily why I make my own books, because I like to control the page number. Yeah. So I don't know if there is like a heavier paper out there. I mean, I could maybe get some like white cardstock, I guess, like thick cardstock, and see what happens with that. But I still think that stuff would bleed through, depending, you know? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to do. What do you guys do on your pages? Like, doesn't your stuff bleed through if you use like these stains, or if you use watercolor? Does it not bleed through to the next page? I don't know. Let me know in the comments, please, please, what you do. So anyway, all these pages here, all they need is the journaling, and I really do like the way that they're coming out. Yeah, this was a lot of fun to doodle, and yeah. So I haven't really had time to do much else, you know? Like, I want to do more things, but I just have not gotten into it. And so, like I said, maybe, you know, when I get home, instead of like sort of feeling the pressure to come in here and work in my journal, because I can literally catch up just over the weekend, just come in here and work on my, you know, my big glue book, or just come in here and, you know, doodle some things, you know, yeah, stuff like that. So at any rate, make sure you check out the upcoming videos this week. Again, it's going to be a flip through, how to make a very simple journal, right? In this instance, it's to hold Christmas cards, but the rules apply to any journal you want to make. The end of the year journal tag by Levelin's Life. I'll be sure to put her link below. And of course, on Friday will be the Collage Weekly Planner Week 3. So, yep, that's it for me today, I think. Yeah, I'm almost done in here. I'm just going to get some journaling down, and then I'm going to go relax for the rest of the day. So, thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I appreciate it. I really hope you have a great day and a wonderful week. Yeah. So I'm just going to get busy in here. I have been enjoying this journal a lot. So, yep. Okay. I will talk to y'all real soon. Oh, don't forget, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get notified the next time a video comes out. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.